Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to turn myself into an Instagram filter. I've already done my eyes. If you want to know how I did this makeup look, you can check the description below. It's not exactly the same eye makeup, but the technique is the same. If you want to look like an Instagram filter, you have to make a crazy eye makeup. I mean, they all have crazy eyelashes, so I've put my longest eyelashes and I tried to do a long eyeliner wing. So for the next part, because I've already done my eyes, I will apply fake freckles and I've never done that before, so it will be a bit challenging for me. So for that I'm using a baby pin, I don't know how you call that, but this thing. And then I'm going to take my Anastasia Dipbrow pomade in shade chocolate and I will draw some dots all over my face. Okay, I know I look a bit stupid right now, it's not as realistic as it should be, but the filters are exaggerating things, you know. My pomade was a bit too dry, so it didn't show up and I had to stab my skin multiple times. This is how I would normally contour my nose, but like I said, the filters are exaggerating things, so I have to make my nose thinner. So I'm taking this Kat Von D palette and I'm using my pinky finger. Then I will shorten my nose like that, and here I like to break it like this to make a cute nose. Now the most challenging part, the lips. I will try this new trend. It's not new because it was a month ago. All you have to do is take a glue. It's an eyelashes glue. Take the glue here and then I don't know if it will work. This glue smells terrible, like fish or pussy, I don't know, or both. I'm going to air dry it. Okay guys, I'm back and I look stupid, I know. I tried 3 different glues. The glue that was really stinky didn't work. So now the lipstick. My mom saw me and she was like, "What did you do to your mouth?" Hey, it looks legit, no? Then you need to draw some logo on your face. I'm going for the Louis Vuitton one. I've never tried that before. So I'm going to use these 2 Jefree Star lipstick. And I will use this small angle brush from Kyliecosmetics. I will take the pink one for this side and yellow one for this other side. I can't work with this lipstick. The formula is terrible. I can't even use it to draw something. Okay, so this is the final look. I finished the 2 Louis Vuitton logo with the lipstick itself. So it's not perfect, but it was really hard to work with these 2 lipsticks. I'm happy with the result. I really look like a filter, I think. My family got scared when they saw me. Like my mom and sister, they were like, "You look horrible." I don't think I look horrible. I definitely look like a filter. I'm going to eat your soul! Get my way, get. It was really a good idea, it was really inventive, amazing girl, we love it. Subscribe to my channel, let a comment down below, tell me it is amazing, and give a like. If you want more video like that, tell me. So this one is my favorite. I was talking about this one. Filter is definitely the best.